Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you set up virtual card on Revolut for secure shopping. To set up virtual card on Revolut, you need to open the Revolut app onto your device, after which you want to tap the card icon in the top right corner of the home screen. Or you could find it at the bottom as well, or here it is, card, tap onto it. As you do this, you want to make sure to go ahead and select add new card and select virtuals. As you've done that, you want to choose between a regular virtual card for multiple user or subscriptions or disposable card for one-time secure purchase. As you've done that, you want to set a color, then tap get card for free and card details like number, CVV, expiry will be available immediately as well. And this is how you're supposed to set up a virtual card on Revolut for secure shopping. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.